before, after. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to make AE like CC on CapCut. Let's begin. Tap new project. Select your clip. Tap clip and select adjust. Brightness -4. Contrast -9. Saturation -7. Exposure -2. Sharpen 100. Highlight 25. Shadow 8. Tap filter and select retro front filter 60. Tap effects, select lens and motion blur. Horizontal 85. Intensity 30. Tap overlay. This overlay link in description. Follow all my settings. Click blend and select overlay 50. This overlay link in description. Click blend and select overlay 40. Your video is ready. Export video. Thanks for watching.